Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In our Linux tutorial series, we would be talking about package management. So this is what we are going to cover today. What are packages? What are package repositories? Understanding package dependencies, tools to manage packages, common usage of those tools, that is RPM and EM, troubleshooting, and some quick practicals. So basically, what are packages? So in general, across all the operating system, packages are archives that contains any precompiled binary software files, installation scripts, configuration files, their dependency, and other details about the software. For example, the version number of the software. Now, packages are specific to a particular distribution and formatted as per the supported format. For example, for Windows, you have exe. Similarly, you would have .deb for Debian and Ubuntu-based systems, and you would have .rpm package extension for RHEL CentOS-based systems. Now, another common way of bundling the software is also a .tar file, which has all the required code in it, and the dependencies are also packaged in it. So all the required data is already bundled in that tar file. So you just need to untar it and run the installer script. Every tar file or every package would have its own installer script, and it will do its job of installing that particular package. Package repositories. What are package repositories? In most cases, the packages are hosted on public repositories available over the internet, which are also known as repos. A repository can contain a single package or thousands of other packages. Now, most Linux distribution today have their own package repositories. So each one of them hosts their own package repositories and their dependencies. So a lot of software companies also use this concept of hosting their package on repositories and providing updates to their customers. So it's like just a way for them to provide easy way of upgrading their software or their package. Now, understanding package dependencies. What are package dependencies? Dependencies for any installable software are common across any operating system. For example, even if you're installing, say, a Java on a Windows server, it would require some dependencies, right? So that's across operating systems. So in Linux, each package contains metadata, that is detailing the additional packages those are required for that package. Now these additional packages are known as dependency. And now a single package can have multiple dependencies, and these dependencies are also affected when upgrading or removing the package. Tools to manage packages. Now every Linux distribution has their own tool to manage packages on the system. Now the most common CLI tools, say for Ubuntu, for RHEL based system, it is RPM and EM, and for Ubuntu and Debian based system, it is apt-get and dpkg. So in our practicals, we would be talking about RPM and EM. A lot of Linux systems also provide UI based package managers, which becomes very easy for an administrator to install packages. So if they are not aware about these CLI tools, they can simply access the UI and manage their packages. Okay. Now, what are the common usages of RPM and EM? So RPM is the most widely used command to install packages on the system, on basically Red Hat, CentOS and Fedora based system. Now some of the common usage, say RPM-QA. QA is query all, so it would query all the packages. RPM-IVH, it is used to install packages. RPM-UVH, you would see U is capital, that is U is used for upgrade. Now what is IVH and UVH, right? So I is install, V is verbose. So you can see a small image on the right hand side of the screen. So V is verbose, it would print messages that verifying preparing, and H is used for hash. The hash you see, it would print the progress in the hash format. RPM-E removes the packages. RPM-QL get the location of the files installed by the packages. Now, if for example administrator want to know where, on what all locations the packages installs this file, so he would use this command. Sorry, RPM-QF is checks the specified files belong to which package. A QF is query file, so in front of that QF I would provide the path of the file. Basically, if an administrator want to know which package does this file belong to, so it would use this command. Common usage of yum. Yum is another tool which is more common, since it queries the packages directly from the repo, and it's also easy to use since it also takes care of all its dependencies. Some common usage is, these are all basics. So yum installs the specified files. Now this yum is also very intuitive, as in, you would know yum install would install the packages, yum remove would remove the packages. So these are like this makes very easy for any administrator to use this tool. Yum search searches packages which matching the keyword, and yum update updates the specified package. Now you need to be very careful when using yum update. For example, if no package is specified, it updates all the installed packages on your system. Okay. Troubleshooting. So few common scenarios encountered in package management. So dependencies. So some package need specific version as their dependencies. So for example, if you are installing a particular version of Oracle on your system, and it requires a specific version as a dependency, so unless you install that specific version of dependency, you won't be able to install that Oracle package on your system. Cyclic dependency is also encountered sometimes, meaning the main package and the dependency packages are like dependent on each other. So you would, for example, how you would see it when you are, how would you encounter it when you are trying to install it? For example, you are trying to install package A, and it asks that this is dependent on package B, and when you are trying to install package B, it is complaining about it's dependent on package A, right? So this is known as cyclic dependency. Now how do you resolve the cyclic dependency? Is you specify both these packages together when installing, so that they would recognize, okay, I have package A, I have package B, and they would do the installation. Uninstalling. So most of the times you would see dependency errors while uninstalling the packages too, and you really have to be very careful when uninstalling the packages from the system, as you might uninstall critical packages that is required for any software application, or you would uninstall the dependency which is like needed for some other package, right? So in case you don't want to uninstall the dependency, say you want to install only that package without affecting the dependency, you would use the no deps option with RPM-E. So it would ignore the dependency and remove the packages. Again, you have to be very cautious when using this option. Quick practicals. So let me just quickly get my screen. Okay, so we would we would cover the common usages. We would cover options from our common usage slide, just to practice what we learned. So QA, as I said, it would query all the packages, right? So if I want to specify only say get only a particular package. If I know the package name, it would give me that. So rpm hyphen query all and vim, right? So you can see it didn't print because maybe the package name didn't match the word we provided, right? So another quick solution for this is using the grep command. So grep, probably I'll cover simple bash scripting commands in another tutorial, but grep is like it will match the keyword from your whole list and will print the results. Now let's see what is the what are the options we have. So vim has like four packages starting from vim, right? So for example, if I specify vim hyphen common, it should print that name. So basically we need to provide the whole name and it would print the rest of the details, right? rpm hyphen, say we would use query files and say vim common, sorry, query location. So we want to see what all location the vim has installed its file, this command, this package, right? So these are the location where it installed all its files. Now if I want to know hyphen, say which package does this file belong to, I would use rpm hyphen qf. Say I would just copy and paste. It would give the name of the package. Okay. Similarly, we would quickly check tutorial. So if you now regarding the help, right? If you are not aware of any of the options or you want to know what all options, so you just say rpm and it would print all the options for it. Now these are like options you would, some are like intuitive, some you might not be aware. As covered in my previous session, you could use man command. So man rpm would give you all the options. For example, rpm hyphen I is install, rpm hyphen u is upgrade, e is for erase, and all the other options that you have. And that's similar to your yum command as well. So yum would give all the options, print all the options here. Okay, so let's see, yum, say we'll just try installing, say, vim package. Now since I already have this vim package installed, it would give me an error, right? So if vim enhanced, this particular package is already installed and on latest version. So in case this package was an older version, it would went ahead and gave me an option to upgrade this to the latest version. Since it's already on the latest version, it didn't do anything and just printed this message for us. And now yum search, say, vim. Okay, so it would print all the matching keywords. So basically we are specifying a keyword to search vim, the name, the package name, right? So similarly, if I want to try, say, ftp, let's see what errors, what results it gives. All right, so any packages that matches ftp in it, it prints all the matching keywords, right? Yeah, I think that's all for today. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and do let us know your comments, and if you want to cover us any specific topic, do comment on this video. Thank you. Bye.